Ready to pass your RExPN exam with confidence? Here's how Sulcus makes it simple. Step 1. On the RExPN page, choose your preferred access plan and click Buy. Step 2. A pop-up will appear. Review the price and enter a coupon code if you have one. Step 3. Accept the terms and conditions and tap Proceed to Pay. Step 4. You will then see the welcome screen. If you already have a Sulcus account, simply log in to link your purchase. Otherwise, click Register Now to create your account. Step 5. Enter your billing details, including your email, and select your payment method. Step 6. Complete the secure payment. You'll receive an instant confirmation email and invoice. Your course unlocks immediately. Open your dashboard and start your journey to success today. You're just one click away from smarter practice, stronger confidence, and exam day success. And with that one click, Sulcus quietly puts everything you need at your fingertips: a smart readiness predictor, AI-powered study companion, modern exam-aligned question types like multiple choice, multiple response, and exhibit-based questions, gentle progress tracking that grows with you, customizable practice modes, motivating streaks, and intelligent feedback that guides you step by step toward exam day success. Start your Sulcus journey today.